Hey y'all, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make one of the ever popular rose bears you have seen floating around on social media. This is my version and I hope you like it. Alrighty, y'all, let us get started. So many of y'all have asked me to do a video on the rose bears that you have been seeing online. These bears are so popular. I've seen them for a few years actually. But anyway, these bears are so popular. You can buy them pre-made on Amazon for I think right around 20 bucks. I've seen them anywhere from $20 to $30. So we are going to make one and see if it will be more cost efficient to make it yourself or to purchase it. I'm thinking it was going to be more cost efficient to purchase it. Okay, that's just my thoughts right now. Why would you want to make your own if you can buy them for cheaper? Well, when I went to look on Amazon to look at the bears, they were very limited as to which colors they had available. It was, you know, like red and pink and stuff like that. So if you want more of a selection, or if you wanted to do certain designs on your bear, then I would suggest make it on your own. Anyway, we have our bear friend here. Now what I'm going to do for mine, I am going to paint it red, and then we're going to sprinkle on this red glitter. Whoops, I just hit my light here. Now I have this package of flowers. These are little foam roses. 144 of them was $12.99. And did I tell you how much this was? This was $9.99. So anyway, look in the description box and I'll also pin a comment and have links to all of these things that you're going to need. And I know sometimes I do weird things like this, but it's because I edit these videos down and put them on TikTok and such. And I like to have a clear shot of what I'm doing here. So anyway, we're going to take our bear and I'm going to paint him red. And then we're going to sprinkle on the glitter. I have a piece of cardstock here. Oh, let's put some paint in this cap. I have a piece of cardstock here that is going to catch our glitter. Oh no, and I did only get one pack of these flowers. And I'm like, I'm hoping that this is going to be enough. You know, if it's not, oh well. I'll just have to order some more flowers, or I will have to come back and show you that no, one pack of flowers may or may not be enough. I don't know yet. So anyway, let's go ahead and sprinkle on some glitter just to show you how I'm doing it. And then I'm going to pour this glitter that's falling down. I'm going to pour it back into the container and reuse it. Okay, so why am I doing this? Like I said, in case I don't have enough flowers, you won't be able to see this white styrofoam shining through. Okay, or you could just coat them with glitter if you want to and not do the roses. You could put roses in certain places, whatever you want to do. But anyway, let me work on this and we will come back. All right, so this is the front of our bear done. As you can see, I put a stick in his little backside to try to hold it. But anyway, let's talk about what you could do if you don't have one of these forms, or if you don't want to buy one of these forms. Now, if you're like me and you make a lot of ornaments for Christmas or things using styrofoam balls and you have styrofoam balls left over, you could construct your own bear. Because once we get the roses put on here, you know, you're going to lose a lot of this definition of this form, okay? But what you could do is take styrofoam balls, dip you some toothpicks in glue, school glue, regular old Elmer's glue, hashtag not sponsored, and just stick them together. You know, you could use 2 balls for the head and body, smaller ones for the arms, legs, maybe cut one in half to use for his muzzle. There's a lot of ways that you can make one of these. But anyway, people asked about the form, so that's why I'm using the form. All right, so anyway, I'm going to continue on with this. I have a block of floral foam over here. Once I'm done, I'm just going to stick this in that floral foam to hold it upright so that it can dry. And next, we will put on the flowers. All right, so here is our bear friend. And we're now getting ready to put on the flowers. As you can see, I have glitter everywhere. When I'm 100% completely done and I pull this out, I don't care what the bottom looks like because this is for me. It's going to be in my house. But you can fill this in with a little bit of hot glue and then, you know, put some paint and glitter and completely cover that up. But anyway, the racket in the background, they are repaving my driveway. Yeah, so they're making a whole heck of a lot of noise. If it's not somebody on a lawnmower, it's somebody doing something else stupid. So anyway, as you can see, these little flowers are all twisted together. Now, when I was looking for the flowers, yeah, there was kind of slim pickings because I know we're getting close to Valentine's Day. But anyway, let's take a look at these. These are foam, and now they have this right here on here. I don't like that, but I couldn't find any flowers at the time that didn't have that. I had ordered this last week, and it just now got here. But anyway, you see, I just pulled out that wire, and now we have the flower. So this is going to take me a minute. All that I'm going to do now is I'm going to start hot gluing the flowers onto the bear. And I think the place where I want to start, I definitely want to start on the front. Like I said, in case I run out of flowers, I can just put this against the wall or something so you won't see it. So I think I'm going to start right here on the tip of his nose. All right, so I got one rose stuck down, and then I stuck down another one. I had to turn the camera off because here's like right beside the window here in the craft room. It was so loud, goodness gracious. And then basically all you're doing is you're just gluing these little roses wherever you can get them. Okay, and like I said, I'm going to go back on Amazon. I'm going to dig around for more of these flowers and see if I can find some that doesn't have this on the bottom, so that you know you don't have to waste your time sitting here pulling off this netting. I know that would be so aggravating, like I'm about to be aggravated here in a little bit. But anyway, and if you look in the description box, I'll have all kinds of links down there for you. But anyway, let me work on this for a little bit. I'm going to try to glue on as many roses as my hand will let me. My hand is still not healed up. It hurts really bad right now. So it's probably going to take me a while to do this. Anyway, I'll be right back. Okay, so I need to give my hand a break. I've been doing some figuring over here in my wonderful Golden Girls notebook. But let's take a look at what we have, okay? This is how many flowers I have left. And this is what I have done. It looks better in person. But and I know that you're not going to be able to see this on camera. But I'm very glad that I took the time to use the paint and the glitter, because you can see tiny little spaces where you can see the form, and if it was white, that would really be shining through. But since I painted it red, it's really blending in really nicely. But anyway, this one pack would do the whole front of this bear. You're going to need 2 packs of these flowers. I'm going to tell you that right now. You're going to need 2 packs of these flowers. So I just measured this, and up at the top here, the top of these roses to the bottom, it's going to be right at 10 inches, okay? You can get a 10-inch bear like this on Amazon for $27. Now, the roses on those bears are a lot bigger. They looked a lot looser. They aren't small and, you know, distinct like these are, which I like this better. I'm going to tell you that right now. As far as visuals go, I like this better. I do have some ribbon. We're going to make him a bow and dress him up like the ones that I saw in the ads. But these flowers, $12.99 a pack. You're going to need 2 packs, plus the form was $10. And then if you want to paint it, whatever, you know, $1 for the paint. It's cheaper to buy the pre-made bears, but honestly, I don't think they look as nice. I mean, that's just me. I don't think they look as nice. And, you know, you can make a stand. Just take, you know, a round piece of floral foam and put different colored roses on it and set your little bear on it. You could really dress it up and really personalize it. So I'm happy that I went this route. Now, the flowers that I wanted you to use to begin with, you get 500 of those for, I think it was right at $24. So that would be cheaper. But they're not going to be here till March or April, okay? They were way on back order. I will put a link to those down below. And with those, you don't have to worry about these wires, okay? Like I said, it was short notice. I was just trying to get my hands on whatever supplies I could get. So anyway, description box and the comments, I'll put the links that you need. So let me finish gluing on these flowers here. I'm going to put on as many as I can. And then we're going to go ahead and put a bow around his neck so that you can see what it looks like. And I'll just finish it up in my own time whenever more flowers get here. But anyway, let me finish this and I'll be back. Friends, I apologize for the racket. We're getting a heck of a storm. Anyway, I am not even finished with this bear. Let me tell you about this journey with this bear, okay? I had ordered 1 pack of these roses. It wasn't enough. I ordered 2 packs. This second pack just arrived today. I've got them all on the bear, and I still have this much that I have to cover. I'm telling you, you're going to need every bit of 3 packs of these particular roses. Now, look at all the golden girls peeking here. But anyway, these particular roses are 0.8 inches in diameter. I've used 288 of them so far. You're going to need a heck of a lot more than that. But like I said, the ones that I wanted to order were not in stock. So I used these. And I do like the smaller ones because with the bigger ones, you cut out so much of the detail of the bear. But anyway, this is what I have. Oh, that rose needs to be pressed in. I just literally just glued that one on. I'll fix that here in a second. But anyway, this is what we have. I'm going to get more roses glued on here because I have come this far, y'all. I have come this far, and I'm not going to quit. I've got to finish this daggone bear. So anyway, please, in the comments, please don't ask questions about how many roses do I need if they're this size or this. I can't answer questions like that because I get a lot of those questions about like how much deco mesh if my frame is this size. You know, I get hundreds of questions every day, and honestly, I don't know. I can't tell you how many to use. I don't know. I'm just saying, with these particular ones, you're going to need, what was it, yeah, 3 packs. 3 packs should be enough. So let's just get that over there. And to finish this off, I just ordered another pack of flowers, but to finish it off, I have tied this bow, and I got glue all over me, glitter all over me. I just tied this simple little bow, and I'm going to glue it to his little throat. And then he's going to go over here and he's going to sit on a shelf and he's going to think about how much he has aggravated me. Because this is one of the most aggravating things I've ever made. I will tell you that right now. And I have made some doozies, but this is probably one of the most aggravating things. But I like it. I think it's adorable. I really do like it. But anyway, I'm going to let this glue set up. And I'm also very happy that I painted it red, because you can't see it on camera, but in real life, just every now and again, you can see through the roses. And if you don't paint the base, then you might see that white shining through, and it's not going to look very nice. But anyway, I hope you liked this, and I'll finish the rest of him whenever I get more flowers. I hope you like him. If you would, please give this video a thumbs up. Click subscribe. Check me out on other forms of social media, the links to all of which will be in the description box down below. And I hope to see y'all next time. Bye.